How to backup Tonkeeper Wallet recovery phrase. So if you want to back up the Tonkeeper Wallet recovery phrase, then first you need to launch your Tonkeeper application, and then you just have to log into your account. Once you've done, you just need to tap on the gear shaped icon or the settings icon on the top right hand corner of your screen. Then you will be landed to the settings page where you just need to go for the first option, which is backup. Once you tap on backup, you need to tap on backup manually, and you will have this kind of interface where you will have these kind of options. Never enter your recovery phrase any other place than Tonkeeper to access your wallet. Tonkeeper support never ask for a recovery phrase. Everybody with your recovery phrase can access your wallet. So over here, you just need to press continue in the bottom. Then it will ask you to enter your passcode. So you just need to enter your passcode, and then you need to tap on the recovery phrase, and then it will show you the recovery phrases. So you just need to simply tap on check backup, which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you need to enter 3 backup phrases into this section and tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen. So I would like to recommend you to keep your phrases in a very safe place, because with this help of the recovery phrase, you will be able to log into your Tonkeeper application or your wallet. So you'll be able to recover your Tonkeeper wallet in this way. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.